Okay, so what you need to do is to update your game. If you are on console, navigate your game library and hover over Minecraft to open the game options and select update. If you are on mobile devices, go to App Store or Google Play Store, search for Minecraft and check if an update is available. Tap update. If you are on PC, open Minecraft Store and select the three dots icon in the top right corner. Click downloads and updates and select get updates. If you are on Mac or Java Edition PC, open the Minecraft launcher. Click the arrow next to the play button and select latest release. After that, you need to match your version to the server's version. If you're getting this error, open the Minecraft launcher, select installations, select new installation, select the version drop down menu, select the version that matches the server, select create, return to the main menu. After that, click the arrow next to the play button. Next, select new installation. You may need to fully restart your device after updating. Make sure to turn it off completely and then power it on again. The last step is to check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi isn't stable, you'll need to fix it. Hopefully your problem is solved. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.